So we learned a new term called proanoia.
Whoa, did you see that?
Yeah, that was an interesting.
The whole thing.
Like lit up.
Yeah, like flashed, like the whole sky flashed, but it was like right over the screen.
We need to start writing notes like 34, 30. Yeah, I'm gonna write that one down.
Even do 3410 and do the screen thing by thing, and then I think there was just another flash. Hi, if that was you guys, I would be more than thrilled if you wouldn't mind flashing again like you were. That was interesting.
Was.
Please feel free to do that again. We welcome that. I kept also seeing something down in this area.
Huh.
It happened. Did you notice? 34:49.
I don't know, I might have blinked.
Yeah, it was fast and it was not as vibrant as the last one, but it did happen.
Wow. So that's definitely new. Oh, see?
Are you seeing it? It's like glitching. That has not happened.
That is definitely
and
strange.
And we do this every month.
Yeah, it's definitely. Let me look and see if it's actually happening over here. If it's on the computer screen.
Okay. I don't.
No, it's doing it here.
Hey y'all. They might be glitching with our. I don't mind if you're here, but please do not burn out our night vision. Please.
Huh.
Yeah, Joe Goodman also says 34:49.
Okay, I have it written down.
Okay. Maybe Crowking. Oh, that's so sweet that you would beg them so hard. The thing is, the beautiful thing is, we only have to ask, and when we're ready, you know, this kind of connection, this is a co-creation, and it's not just what we want, they have to agree.
I think I just saw a flash in this area.
I bet you might have. Yep, whoa.
That was the screen thing again.
That was that. And so, folks, this whole screen flash thing, that's brand new. We've been doing this many times now, and
it seems like an electronic interference. I got Sasquatch Ontario, and we completely believe that these audio recordings are real.
So I thought, no, it's good. It was still pretty.
All good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I wanted to go on.
I can't even see it on this small screen.
Okay. Hi, would you mind getting... Oh my gosh, they got brighter. I was just literally opening my mouth to say, could you get brighter? And then they got brighter.
Oh.
And it was overcast that night. And we, during our visualization of where we are, we had envisioned them coming below the clouds. Oh wait, there goes something that's flashing towards 9 o'clock. It's exiting the thing, but you can turn the camera. Feels like a lucky. Hi! It's like more relaxed kind of feeling. And so practicing that non-attachment. Oh, there's a flash. Hi! Yay! Oh, that's a lot of flashing. So when we have that more non-attached, it's just like, hey, we would love for you to show up, but it's okay if you don't, and it just kind of eases up that energy and makes things just more relaxed. And we find that, frankly, once you let go of that attachment, it immediately comes more to you. Just like my thought, I let go of needing to talk about it, and then it instantly came back, and that has happened countless times. Wow, those are big bursts. I'm so blessed. We are all so blessed. Wow, those are big flashes. Thank you.
Not a satellite, guys.
Not a satellite.
Not showing up.
Yay!
Whoa.
Thank you. Wow.
They got a heck of a lot bigger after we signaled them, huh?
Yes, they got massively bigger. Oh, wow. We have wonderful ideas that will only grow. Whoa.
Wow.
Definition of success was what defined. Oh, there was to do any spontaneous CE5. And Ian didn't, and I asked them if they would show Ian, and they did. Go around the world and just meet everybody from all sorts of spots, because it can overwhelm. What was that?
Whoa.
And the street. We need to start over.
We do?
What happened there? I sense there's someone else on the screen who's visiting. Who else is on the screen? Oh, here they come in. Ha! Coming in at about the 9 o'clock. There we go. It's so funny.
All right. So I should let everyone know that I'm using the Heavens Above app, and I have turned up the sensitivity to maximum, things that the human eye can't see. So it's definitely telling me a lot of what's up there, and this particular one is not showing up. I know a lot of people will be like, oh, it's a spy satellite, they wouldn't put it on the app. Well, what good's a spy satellite when you can frickin' see it?
Are you doing circular craft? People in the craft?
Huh? Oh, that one didn't have a tail. So when they don't have a tail, I'm less likely to believe that they're meteors.
As we continue to watch this craft, of course, because it's really awesome, sometimes they can smell not so great, and that's where you have to learn to really be respectful. You can practice telepathy in this grocery store, just with your own thoughts, being aware of your thoughts in the store. Like, are you putting any people down? Are you saying rude things? Are you being really impatient? Like, these are things that anybody who is telepathic can hear at any time. It's not just when you are saying, oh, I'm going to send this telepathic message now. Telepathy is all thoughts at all times. So really coming to grips with being aware of your own thoughts. Because with the Sasquatch clan, sometimes if they don't smell so nice, you don't want, curse words flying through your mind about like, what was that disgusting smell? And these are things we also